Hello, welcome to the demo video of Blogify version 3. We're going to start off by signing up for our new account. Over here, you can sign up manually by putting in your information or sign up with Google. Once you click on that, you select your Google account, and once you have successfully signed up with your Google account, you're redirected to the payment information page. First up, you choose the time period of how you would like to be charged for the desired package. The options are monthly, yearly, and lifetime, which is a one-time payment. Next up, you choose the desired package from the list of packages below. Moving on, you put in your card information and coupon codes if you have any. Once you have it all filled out, you can click on subscribe now. Once your account has been created successfully, you'll be taken to your dashboard. The dashboard can be found under the Overview tab. On the dashboard, you'll find quick accesses such as creating a blog, adding credits, viewing published blogs, etc. Over here, we have the blogs created section that shows the number of blogs that have been created in the current month and overall in lifetime. It also gives you a quick access to create a blog. The blog credits section tells you how many blog credits you have remaining. It shows the exact number of blog credits left for the video credits and the prompt credits as well. It also gives you a quick access to add credits. The Your Earnings section shows you how much you have earned through affiliate commission, and it also features a quick access to create a blog. Moving on, you can see a list of your most recently published blogs, and clicking on the blogs would give you the blog details. If you scroll down, you will see a quick overall analysis of the blogs created.
Let's check out the Blogs tab. Under this tab, you'll see a list of all the blogs created, the option to view the blogs in detail, and to create a new blog. Let's start with creating a blog from a video, audio, or podcast first. Insert your choice of video or audio URL, or you could upload your video, audio, or podcast file. Do make sure that the file is under 30 MB. I'll insert my choice of video URL and move on to the blog presets. You can choose the size of a blog, the tone of a blog, meaning how you would want the blog to sound like. Quick note, the way the content is presented in the blog will vary depending on the tone set. Choose the language of the media that is being used and the language that you want the blog to be generated in. Moving on to the blog generation mode, let's try out the autopilot feature first. Blogify automatically generates and publishes the blog. You can choose to review first before posting. Next up, select the perspective of the blog and choose whether to add affiliate links to your blog and or give credit to the content creator, considering that you have the right to use it. The affiliate commission feature is still in its beta phase, so please be patient with it. Next up, you can choose your own blog cover image or use the media's default cover image. You can also add content images to your blog. Moving on, you get the option to publish the blog to your preferred connected platforms right after reviewing it. Finally, click on Generate Blog. While the blog with autopilot feature is being generated, we'll try out the Copilot blog generation feature. I'll put in the same video URL used for the autopilot feature and choose my blog presets. For the blog generation mode, let's choose the Copilot feature. This feature allows the user to design their own shape of the blog by being able to choose from the blog's title to its content and outline. The rest of the steps are same as previously shown. Let's click on Generate Blog now.
Let's start generating our blog with the Copilot feature. Step 1. Select the blog title. We're currently working on generating multiple blog title options from which you can choose the one best suited to your preferences in the future. Let's move on to the blog outline. Step 2. In this step, you create the outline for the blog. The intro and the conclusion for the blog will be set. For the rest of the outline, you can add or remove a heading and also drag the points and sort accordingly. Next up, let's check out the talking points. Step 3. This part contains the talking points for each of the headings. You can check, modify, or reorder the talking points to your preference. Once it's all done, click on Generate Content. Once the content has been generated, the block is presented in the editing format. You can make the final edits before publishing the blog. Now that I do not have any edits to make, I will click on Save and the blog will be published. You can still make edits from the editing blog option. Let's try creating a blog using the text prompt feature next. You can either write a title or a short description of the blog, or upload your preferred document or PDF file, which must be under 30 MB. The more detailed the description, the more focused and accurate the generated blog will be. I'll just put in my description. You can see that I have put in a short description of what I want my blog to be generated on. The rest of the steps for the blog settings are the same as generating blog from a media. For the blog generation mode, I'll choose the autopilot, and I'll add a blog cover image. Once the blog cover image is added, I will click on Generate Blog. Now that the blogs have been generated, let's take a look at them. Clicking on the View Details button will take you to the blog's details. We have the blog actions section right here. There are options to copy the text or HTML code, download the blog as a PDF or document, edit the blog, and delete the blog. Next up, we have the source of the media that was used to generate the blog from. Scrolling down, you have the option to publish your blog on desired platforms afterwards. Over here, this is the summary that was generated from the media's transcript. Next up, we have the hashtags, meta tags, and keywords that are SEO optimized. This one over here gives you a quick analysis of the blog. At the very bottom, you'll find the transcript of the media. Let us edit the blog now. The title of the blog can be edited if required. Over here, we have the option to remove the affiliate links, copy the text or HTML code, and to revert the blog back to its original form. This bar here has the options to format the text, paragraph alignment, add affiliate links, different header styles, the HTML code, and the option to add images to the blog. You can manually add or remove any section of the blog as you wish. Once you're done editing, click on Save Blog to save it. Next up, let's go to the YouTube Channels tab. Over here, you can connect your YouTube channel by signing in with Google. Once you're signed in, you can see the channel over here. You have the playlists included in your channel, and you have all the videos that are available in your channel. If you want to generate a blog from one of your YouTube videos, just click on the Generate Blog buttons and follow the steps as required. Under the Subscription tab, you can check your active subscription and also view the other plans that are available, and it also gives you the access to upgrade to the other plans. Next up, for the settings, you can choose your profile picture, edit your name, and check out the other settings available. This concludes the demo video of Blogify version 3. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy using Blogify.